Hi, I'm Luis Sandy Garcia.
I'm John Garcia.
So I work in IT field, specific in software engineering area.
I'm a housewife.
Nakita namin si Pinnacle Homes sa online app.
And nagustuhan namin agad siya kasi because of the area, very convenient and madali lang talaga siyang puntahan way from Manila to Bulacan. So one bus lang.
Kung meron kayong mga elderly, mga parents, hindi rin sila mahihirapan puntahan yung area. Regarding process, so far okay naman, smooth, accommodating.
Lahat ng na-encounter naming agent, mga nakausap namin are very approachable and they answer our queries within that day. Talagang mabilis lang ang process. Looking forward kami sa good community na mabibuild dito sa Pinnacle Homes.